Hi,
This is our first video of 3 for acting tips and tricks.
our first trick will be how to cry on cue.
Everyone has their own opinion on how's easiest to cry on cue.
So we read through plenty of them and are combining them for the what we think and it's nice step-by-step process.
First off, you want to truly embody your character and think about how you would react to the situation that they're in.
Next, you want to stir up a sad emotion inside of you. You can do this by thinking is a previous sad experience or fantasy about something that would make you cry.
And to hit it home, you want to bite your bottom lip to initialize that pain, and then either make a crying face, just act like you're crying, like make crying sounds, or both.
This is as Jack said, how to cry on cue.
Make sure to like and smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, the first way didn't work for me. How I'm gonna cry on cue, Jacker?
Oh, that's fine. Just use a few of these.
What? An eye drop?
Absolutely. They'll help you cry before your scene.
Okay. That hurt. Thank you. Okay, I'm crying now. Thank you for your eye drop.